So again, they give you a bit of information here about a practical. Please take your time to read it. And it tells you that they are trying to measure out 1 gram of this substance and give the name of the apparatus that you do this. So you would use to do this a balance to find the mass of the substance. The student's results are presented here. Explain using the results the type of heat energy change that occurs. So what I can see here is that the temperature has increased by 11 degrees. So I've got a change of 11 degrees. And because temperature is increasing, that's the surroundings are increasing, this must be a exothermic reaction. So in terms of marks, I'm going to get 1 mark for describing that the temperature's increased, and I'm going to get a second mark for identifying that as an exothermic reaction. Okay, next is which hazard symbol if something is hazardous. Well, this one here is corrosive, so it's not that one. This one here means harmful to the environment, so it's not that one. This one here is something that's going to be flammable, so the right option is C. This is that you would get if something was hazardous. Carrying on, what precaution would you take if you're doing this experiment? You would take the precaution of wearing safety glasses. State 1 way in which the apparatus could be changed to reduce the amount of heat energy loss. If you come back up to the picture of it, any heat that's going to be generated in the water is going to be released out through the top. So if I was doing this, I'd want a lid to insulate and keep the heat in. So here I'm going to put a lid on top of the beaker and get me a mark. Okay, bit of a calculation here. So it says the concentration is 12 grams per centimeter cubed. Calculate the volume. So I want to find the volume that contains 9 grams of this material. So I'm using my amount, concentration, volume. This is my chicken vindaloo equation. What I'm trying to find here is the volume. So let's go back and turn that for volume is going to be the amount divided by the concentration. In this case, the amount that they've got is 9 and the concentration is 12. So 9 divided by 12, let's just do that on my calculator. So 9 divided by 12 is 0.75, but that's going to be in, because this is decimeters cubed, that's going to be decimeters cubed. If you just check down here, it wants my answer as centimeters cubed. So all I have to do is take the 0.75 and multiply it by 1,000. So times that by 1,000, and that's going to give me 750 centimeters cubed that would be required. Mark-wise, for that one, there are 3 marks in here. So you're definitely going to get a mark for the final answer. You're going to get a mark for doing the 9 divided by 12, and you get another mark for remembering to multiply that by 1,000. So well done.